ta-ta-ta-ta. Every little thing is gonna be alright.
I like the good service, I like the good quality of work, and I can feel a positive vibes.
Have your prices, I like your quality, your work, it's well done.
I like the vibration in here. When I come in, it feels good. I feel like I'm dealing with honest people, and I like that.
Fantastic. You guys are nice, and you guys always negotiate great prices for us.
About a thing. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Baby, don't worry about a thing. One more. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Every little thing is gonna be alright.